Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Abbas Jafari from Asas National School, Senior Boys Campus, Rawali Kent, Gujranwala. As I have been teaching you the chemistry of 8th class pre 9th, and we have started the chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. And today is our lecture number 9. So, the contents of today's lecture are compounds and its classification, ionic compounds, covalent compounds, and in the end, some common compounds with their formula. Dear students, we have studied in our previous lectures about matter and its classification. So, matter is classified into the two categories, pure and impure. So, pure is called substance and impure is called mixture. Substance is further divided into elements and compounds. In the last lecture, dear students, we have discussed about elements, and in this lecture, we will discuss about compounds. Compound is simply defined as it is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. Compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. Chemically combined means when two or more elements react, a new substance is formed, have different properties from its components. It is a chemical change. And a fixed ratio means a given chemical compound always contain its component elements in fixed ratio by mass and does not depend on its source and method of preparation. It always has a fixed ratio when it's formed. Well, dear students, the compound is described by a formula made from the symbols of the atoms in it. Two or more elements combine chemically. As a result of this combination, elements lose their own properties and produce new substances that have entirely different properties. So, in a chemical chain, dear students, we discussed in the previous lectures that a new thing is formed, so it has its own unique properties, which is totally different from the components from which is made. So, the compounds can't be broken down into its constituent elements or in component elements by simple physical methods like filtration, evaporation, etc. Water H2O is a compound formed by a chemical combination between hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio of 1:8 by mass. So, dear students, you see in the picture the structure of water molecule. So, it contains two hydrogen. Each hydrogen has mass number 1. So, two hydrogen have mass number 2 and one oxygen have a mass number 16. So 2:16 is their fixed ratio by mass. So the simple ratio is 1:8. It is divided by 2, so simple ratio becomes 1:8. Water forms whenever from its source or method of preparation, but when it is formed, its ratio of the masses of hydrogen and oxygen is always fixed, that is 1:8. Here another example of carbon dioxide CO2, which is formed when elements of carbon and oxygen combine chemically in a fixed ratio of 12:32, or simple ratio is 3:8 by mass. So the molecule of carbon dioxide has one carbon, which is mass number 12, and two oxygen. So 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. So 32 is a mass number of these two oxygen. So 12:32, and the simple ratio will be divided by 4. So simple ratio will be 3:8. So it's always when CO2 is formed, its ratio of the masses will be 3:8. So dear students, in this table you can see that the name of a compound, elements in it, and how the atoms are joined diagrammatically, and formula of that compound. So each compound has a chemical formula. So water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen, which are its elements, and carbon dioxide is carbon and oxygen, and ethanol or ethyl alcohol is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and its formula is C2H5OH. Compounds are classified into two categories of compounds: ionic compounds or covalent compounds. Ionic compounds contain ionic bonds, and covalent compounds contain covalent bonds. Ionic bonds are formed between oppositely charged ion, positive ion and negative ion, and covalent bonds are formed between atoms by the mutual sharing of electrons of their outermost shells. Dear students, it is a structure of common salt NaCl diagram. And in this diagram, you can clearly see that positive and negative ions or oppositely charged ions are held together in a structure called crystal lattice. Lattice means structure. Ionic compounds do not exist in independent molecular form. They form a three-dimensional crystal lattice or structure in which each ion is surrounded by oppositely charged ions. These oppositely charged ions attract each other very strongly. As a result, ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. These compounds are represented by formula units. So we can say ionic compounds units are formula units. On the other hand, covalent compounds mostly exist in molecular form. A molecule is a true representative of the covalent compounds, and its formula is called molecular formula, such as H2O water, HCl hydrogen chloride, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, and CH4 methane gas. Dear students, no need to worry about ionic compounds and covalent compounds. The information is given in this lecture is just according to your textbook. In the next chapters, as in chapter number 4, we will discuss about covalent compounds or ionic compounds in detail. So there are some common compounds with their formula. The first compound is water. Its formula is H2O. The second one is sodium chloride, common salt. Its formula is NaCl. Na for sodium and Cl for chlorine. Silicon dioxide. Its common name is sand and its formula is SiO2. Sodium hydroxide. Its common name is caustic soda and its formula is NaOH. Sodium carbonate, washing soda. Its common name is washing soda. Na2CO3.10H2O. Calcium oxide, quicklime, CaO. Calcium carbonate, limestone, CaCO3. Sugar, C12H22O11. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, ammonia, NH3. Dear students, for today we just learn only 3 of these compounds and their chemical formulas, because it is very much difficult for you to learn all of these formulas at once. So we will learn these formulas in steps. So dear students, it's over for you today, and in the end of this lecture I have an assignment for you which is very simple. Define compound with examples. So you have to define compound and give 2 examples of water and carbon dioxide. Write down the classification of compound. Just write down the classification that compound have 2 main classes: ionic compound and covalent compound. Learn and write the chemical formula of first three compounds. Okay dear students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.